Alright, finally made it up where it's a bit of a view, and I'm up on the Duffy Highway, right near Duffy Lake. And actually around the, I flew the drone up there, and to get some wicked cool video footage to show everybody in the planet what it's like right here in the backyard. And as we're driving home, I noticed a huge snow avalanche. It come down off the top of those mountains and skidded across the lake. So I found a spot to pull over and I flew the drone over top of it. And it's crazy how frickin' big it is. You can't really tell without standing next to it, but I'll show you a piece of video footage here from it. And it was the control said it's still 114 feet in the air, videotaping it from this height. So you can imagine how high that pile of snow is. Crazy. The amount of power it took and the amount of snow that came down that mountain is amazing. And I couldn't imagine what it'd be like to be, say as an example, cross-country skiing around that lake and get caught in that. Ooh, that would be really, really bad.